I haven't picked up a new pen in quite a while. This one caught my attention because I like this style of pen, and some of the ones that I have seen that I liked were out of my price range for right now. There's a couple of expensive pens that I'm saving up for that I'd like to have one day. I have so many now. I don't like owning things that I'm not using. I use my pens a lot, but this one really caught my attention. Asvine. I think I'm saying that better than most people. This Asvine is one that I've seen a lot lately, and I thought, ooh, I really want to get one. So here's our unboxing. So slide this out. A plastic case, kind of nice. I like the cases that these fountain pens come in. And what do we got? Everybody shows this. The wrench for taking apart the mechanism so you can clean it and grease it. That's great. Love it. The instruction guide, which I'm going to need to explain to us how to ink it. It shows how to eyedropper it, which I don't think we're going to do, but use of the converter. Oh, this one doesn't have a converter, so it just has instructions on all of them. So the piston filler instructions, looks like. So anyway, we'll go over that, but there's the pen. And I really like these skeleton pens. So let's take it out of its little sleeve here, which I'll just throw away. I got the light blue, and I love it. It feels substantial. It feels heavy in the hand. The cap comes off, turn and a half. Nice looking nib. I got a medium, and so you twist that, I see the piston plunging. Perfect, perfect. So I'm gonna learn more about using a piston filler. It feels like a nice pen. The metal work feels really well made. It's not it's not bristly or scratchy. It's smooth and beautiful. People talk about the section being kind of slick. It doesn't feel bad to me. It feels nice. We'll see how it writes. We're going to ink it up in a second. I'll show you how it inks. Yeah, the P80. I like it a lot. Nice medium nib. The feed looks like it's all put on there nicely. Screw it down, and yeah, that is the P80. So it has like a spider theme. Some people have said, I don't know if I agree. I don't know if that's supposed to be a spider. But some people say, yeah, that's supposed to be a spider. Okay, it's a spider theme. I still really like this. I like the light blue. We'll put some blue ink in it and see how it works. No, I'm really excited about it. That's a great addition to my collection. So this is going to be my first piston filler fill. So, man, that's a good pen. That's a good weight of a pen. I like a heavier pen. I don't know why. So I'm going to take it. I can see the piston in there, and it's counterintuitive turning that down there. So I'm pushing it all the way to the bottom. I've got my ink here on a precarious angle because I'm running out of ink in this one. And I'm putting it down there, submerging it. I can hear it bubbling up. So I have a lovely assistant today helping me hold this bottle of ink at an angle because I'm running out, and I'm trying to use it to fill this piston filler. I push the plunger all the way to the bottom, and it's counterintuitive. It spins the opposite way. I can't think of that you would think it would. So I'm going to submerge it all the way into the ink, and I think that does it. And then I twist it. So I'm just twisting it clockwise now, and it's drawing up. Oh, there it goes. Okay, and it has drawn up ink. And so now I'm going to push some of the air out. Ah, there we go. And we're going to catch that. So I'm not going to try to fill it all the way, but there it is. It's got plenty of ink in it now. It's got plenty of ink now. So I'm going to cap it, and then here in just a second, I'm going to wash my hands, and then we're going to do a writing sample right now. This is my nice journal. Love this thing. It's thick, it's got a lot of pages. And I haven't written here for a while. I'm excited. I need to do an entry. In fact, it's been a few weeks. So, So it's skipping a little bit right now, but I think it just needs to be written with. Monday. Yeah, much smoother now. Nice medium nib. Home from our... Yeah, writes really nice. I like the nib. It's hard to write in this position, but I want you to see what I'm doing. I'm making a video about my new Asvine P80. Okay, so, well, hang on. So, this is how it writes. Looks lovely. Nice heavy pen. So I've heard some people say they thought that the nib, the section, they thought that the section was too slick. It feels great to me. I really like this pen. Nice line. It really is a nice medium line. So far, good writer. The only complaint I have is my first experience filling a piston filler, I made quite a mess, but I'll survive that. I like it. Beautiful pen. Like I say, I like this skeleton style pens with with the clear body covered by the etched metal. Looks really nice. Beautiful nib, and the nib writes really well. I think it has an option with a Bach nib, but this is a really nice nib. Nice nib. Could show in St. George. I went down to perform at a festival in St. George, Utah. Got home and this pen had arrived. I was thrilled. Now, I haven't been picking up pens as often. I'm a collector. I consider myself a collector now, but I have so many pens now. I don't like to have things just sitting in boxes or sitting on shelves unused. If I have fountain pens, I want to use them, and I have so many now, I rotate through them. It seems like such a long time between uses that I only pick up something when I really love it. I would like a Diplomat Arrow. That's a pen that really attracts me. And my grail pen is a Pelikan M800 or maybe an M1000. But there had been some skeleton style pens like this that I had been attracted to, but I thought for the money, how much do I really want it? But this one came along and it's perfect. And I think it's a great addition to my collection. And I'm happy to share it here today. I'd like your thoughts on it, about other pens that you have seen that look like would be good acquisitions for collections. I don't know. Very beautiful, wonderful writer. I'm really excited about this one. It'll be in my pocket this week. I guess that's it.